First and foremost, it's very important to distinguish between voluntary funding and something that is mandatory. In this case, what the government has offered is a reform based bailout plan. I reiterate that point. Reform based bailout plan. Because at least a couple of these ADCs are about to crumble financially. If they carry on with the current style of functioning and revenue collection and overstaffing, they will collapse in 3 to 4 years. So before we reach that point, this is an offer that you reform. For this reform, we are supporting you this much financially. For this particular reform, we are supporting you this much. For you to augment your revenue collection, government is supporting you this much. So it is reform based. You have to tick the right boxes. It's not a blank check that we are giving to the ADCs. We tell them that, for instance, why does an ADC need to have a staff strength of 1500? There's no rationale, there's no justification. You cut it down by half. So to do that, government will support you so that you scale down that manpower. So I reiterate that it is a very positive move on the part of the state government, because as you know, a lot of what the ADCs do also depends on the support that the state government gives them. The revenue share from minerals, for instance. So we are interdependent, and in this case, wherever we find that the ADCs are about to reach a point of collapse, we would like to offer them a lifeline. And this is the lifeline that the cabinet has. Yeah, it is a concern, definitely, which is why this reformist agenda on the part of the state government is very important to be appreciated in the right perspective. Our intention is that we rationalize, their staffing pattern. For instance, there are councils where if the whole staff attends office, there will not be enough space for the staff to sit inside the offices also. So what do you do then? Government can't just sit idle and be a mute spectator. And when the councils collapse, then you'll see what did the government do.